In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attributes on AppyPie Marketplace. Attributes help shoppers choose exactly what they want, think size, color, material, and they let you filter and organize products in a way that makes sense. We'll walk through where to find the settings in AppyPie and how to create attributes cleanly so they're ready to use across your catalog. Start by signing into your AppyPie account. From your main dashboard, open the Builder. This is the workspace where you control your app's features and layout. Once you're in the Builder, look for the option labeled Manage. Click it to access tools specific to your apps. Next, select your store app. If you manage more than one app, be sure to pick the store you want to edit so the changes apply in the right place. After the store opens, choose Manage App to enter the detailed settings for that specific app. Now head into the multi-vendor marketplace section. This is where marketplace-specific features live, including products, vendors, and catalog configuration. Make sure you're in this area before moving forward so the options you need are visible. On the left-hand sidebar, click Products. This takes you to everything related to product setup. Then select Product Attributes. Attributes are shared properties you can assign to many products, like color or size, and they're reusable, which saves time and keeps data consistent. To create a new one, click Add New on the left side. You'll see fields to define your attribute. Start by entering the attribute name. Use a clear, simple term that your customers will instantly understand. For example, color, size, or material. Keep capitalization consistent and avoid symbols to make filters look professional. Next, add the attribute value. This is the specific choice a shopper will see, such as red, blue, small, or cotton. If you're setting up multiple variations, follow the same naming style so your filters feel uniform across the site. Think ahead about spelling and wording, gray versus gray or small versus S, so you don't end up with duplicates later. Once you've entered the name and the value, take a moment to review what you typed. Check for typos, confirm it matches the rest of your catalog, and make sure it reflects how you want customers to filter or select options. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new attribute is now stored and ready to be linked to your products. You can return here anytime to add more attributes as your catalog grows, keeping your marketplace easy to browse and consistent for shoppers. That's it. Your attribute is created and ready to use. Thanks for watching and happy building.